All right, so let me just because I've been talking about using ChatGPT, so let me show you how I generate my title, description, hashtag, then YouTube tags, and then even sample comments, and then sample tweets. So now you see it started with another. So what I've done is that this thread now I've been using it to generate all my stuff. So if each time I want to do new one, I'll just start with another, so that ChatGPT will know that I want it to follow the exact same pattern it followed from the previous one. So I'll put sample topic. If possible, if I want you to understand the kind of description I want, I'll type sample message. You see from this place now, Wike is not being true to blah blah. I typed it from my head. Why this first part, Makinde betrayed me, I got it from online, and then I wanted it to understand my perspective, so I added the short thing, and then now it generated the first one for me. Makinde betrayed me, Wike cries out, but is it the true story? That is the title. So what I want you to do now, tell it generate 3 sample titles for all future ones, so that I'll be picking the best one. Then after that, now you see from this place here now, Wike says blah blah blah, this paragraph and this paragraph and this paragraph are part of the description. And if you check in my description, you can see my links. Follow us across platforms. So I put my links there, and these links that I'm putting there, I always upload the same videos to those pages. So anytime they go there, those pages too will be growing in case they visit. And sometimes if I cannot upload the video, maybe data or poor network, I will upload the link of the YouTube and maybe screenshots those platforms, and then people can see it there. Then expect sharp blah blah blah. So this is always added to all my description, blah blah blah. Then you see my hashtags, Wike. So sometimes if I'm not impressed with the hashtag, I can add my own. How many hashtags do I have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I can even tell it in the next one now, always generate 15 hashtags. It's good to have enough hashtags. So now you see this place now, this Wike, this next one, Wike Makinde betrayal, PDP internal crisis, Godfather politics, everything here is not up to 8 of more than 8. So I'll tell it now to make it 15 also. That is the tag. This tag, I'm going to paste it inside the tag section of my video. Please remember that it's different from description. No, this tag goes into the tag, but I also add it to my description first before posting it. So this is where I will now stop. Then from here now, this next one now, YouTube visitor comment. So because I have another account I always used to watch my video, these are the 3 types of comment: supportive comment, critical comment, and humorous comment. So usually I always go for the supportive. I'll copy supportive and paste it. Sometimes I take the humorous one and paste it in the comments, so that other visitors can see you posting, and that could encourage them to want to either reply, especially if you are supporting, and they'll say, what's wrong with you, blah blah, especially people who are against the idea. And then these are the tweet variant. This tweet variant, in case I want to post on Twitter, or maybe I just want to create shorts from it and I don't have topics to create, titles to run from my head, I'll just copy from one of these tweet variants and use it as my title for my short and shorten it. And then my thumbnail ideas, because sometimes thumbnails should not be long. Thumbnail text, the text you find on your thumbnail should not be long. So what I always do is I'll tell it to generate 5. You see, it always generates 5, so I'll pick the best 2. Out of the best 2 that I will pick, this is how I will usually put it. Let me open it here. Let me open this, and I will not allow it to play. I've just finished up.
People say, he who the gods will destroy.
Okay, let me take it back. Come back now. This thing then, why is it behaving like this? Okay, so you see now. So you can see the I've already shown us how to do thumbnail. This image that I got it on the internet, it was just so easy for me. I didn't have so much work to do. Then I created the thumbnail. If you see the 2 thumbnail text, Wike Shey Makinde betrayed me, and then Makinde refuses to bow. I got the 2 of them from my ChatGPT. Shey betrayed me, Wike PDP, Makinde refuses to bow. So like that, once I put it there, once I finish uploading, I will now go to my, after like 2 hours, it depends, after like 24 hours, if I see that it's not growing very well, I'll go and change the title, or I try to edit the thumbnail, and then before you know it, after like 6-7 hours, I'll see that it is picking up again. So that's how to do that, how to use ChatGPT and InShot to generate your create your thumbnail and then produce your video to grow. Thank you.